Every trader, regardless of experience, faces the same challenge: knowing when to act and when to stay out. In today's video, we look at how traders use Trader's Aid to help answer exactly that. When conditions look right to get into a trade, when they stop looking right, and how to manage exposure while a trade is open. In the end, it all comes down to two main questions: when do I get in and when do I get out? Here are three ways traders interpret all indicators to do exactly that. First, confluence. Already have a system in place? Add the warning dots or the smoothing channel on top of it. Whichever one complements what you're already doing. A dot aligned with your bias. The channel pointing in the same direction. That extra layer of context can add clarity to an otherwise uncertain decision. Second, the full setup. A green dot in a green channel. A red dot in a red channel. Both pointing the same way. If the channel flips within 3 candles of the dot, many traders still consider that an aligned setup. That's the window they watch for. And when a dot appears in the opposite direction while a trade is open, that's when traders reassess. Tighten the stop, reduce the size, or step aside. The channel will catch up eventually. The dot tends to see it first. Third, exposure management. Trend stability activates while you're in a trade. At least 2 timeframes and the smoothing channel agree. Conditions look strong, some traders use that as a reason to add to their position. When stability fades, they trim it. Always check your risk-reward before acting. Your potential gain should be more than your potential loss. If the math isn't there, many traders simply wait. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel, and I see you at the next one.